At a time when the probationary IAS officer, Pooja Khedkar, is already facing the heat over allegedly misusing her power and position, an old video has emerged showing her mother's brazen behavior. The VIP Babu's mother can be seen holding a pistol in her hand, arguing with a farmer over a land dispute. The charge against the Khedkar family is glaring and once again shows the high-handedness of the family. The charge is that Pooja's father, Dilip Khedkar, a retired IAS official, amassed property worth crores of rupees and bought land at several locations, including 25 acres in the Malshi Taluka of Pune district. This land allegedly encroached upon the land of neighboring farmers. My colleague Arunya spoke with one of the affected farmers who was threatened by Pooja Khedkar's mother. They claim that her husband tried to burn the farm fields, and when they tried to complain to the police, there was no action that was taken. The 2022 batch officer Pooja Khedkar is accused of posing as an OBC non-creamy layer candidate in her UPSC candidature and also claimed that she was visually and mentally disabled to use the disability quota benefits in the UPSC.
वो आपका जो जमीन है वो उस पर वो हक जमाना चाह रहे थे और वो पिस्तौल दिखा के आपके चाचा को धमका रहे थे, ऐसा था?
हाँ, और वो जो है तो हमारे एक जो है उन्होंने उनको थोड़ी जमीन बेची है हमारे इसमें की।
बट
जमीन बेची है उसको हमारे
आपसे ये पूछना चाहेंगे, क्या उन्होंने आपको ये बोला था कि आप जानते नहीं हमारे कितने कांटेक्ट है, मेरे जो पति है वो
उन्होंने तो ये किया है ना पूरा, तो वीडियो देखो और हमने कंप्लेंट डाली थी, ऑनलाइन कंप्लेंट थी हमारी और हमने लिखी था, हमारा कुछ ये नहीं हुआ वहाँ पे और उल्टा हमारे ऊपर केस कर दिया था। जो हमारे उधर कामगार लोग हैं जो हमारी खेती करते हैं उनके ऊपर ही केस कर दिया उन्होंने।
We're being joined by my colleague Shrishti, who's been tracking all the developments in this case. Shrishti, after the daughter, Pooja Khedkar, now the lens is on the mother in connection with this action, and we have the video to show what exactly took place between the mother and the farmers as well. But give us more context into what exactly the administration is doing in response to this video that's now come to light.
Well, of course, as we saw that video in which Pooja's mother, Manorama Khedkar, was trying to threaten the farmer over there. We can see she's flaunting the pistol and she is trying to threaten the farmer. Now, police has taken action as yesterday the farmer from that particular village came to the superintendent's office. He has filed an FIR against Manorama Khedkar. She is a mother of Pooja Khedkar under several sections of IPC 323, 504, 506, 143, 144, 147, 148 and 149 as well in Arms Act. So all these sections of IPC comes under the threatening charges, the weapon charges and the behavior which was shown, insulting behavior which was shown by Pooja's mother towards the farmer, and those are the offences against Pooja's mother. Now we have to see how the action will be taken further. Will she be arrested or not? That needs to be seen, as the police is on the police has yesterday mentioned that we will be taking appropriate actions, as they were accused of not taking actions earlier when the farmer filed a complaint. Now police has to take action in this entire matter so that they can investigate this entire thing. However, if we talk about just Pooja wanted a plush posting. Pooja wanted a plush cabin for herself. She wanted every perk which is given to the higher level senior IS officer. However, when she was even given those some kind of perks like cabin and all, she was not satisfied with it, and that's how this controversy, entire controversy erupted. However, now she has been transferred to Washim district. Importantly, there is a single bench committee which is formed by the central government to probe into the entire matter. Even Maharashtra Home Ministry has told National Academy, who deals with the IS officers, trainee IS officers, to probe in this entire matter. We have to see that how this particular person, Pooja Khedkar, she opted for medical certificates, medical quota, but she didn't complete the medical examination. She opted in OBC quota, but her father's assets are more than 40 crores. How can a person get non-criminal letter certificate if the person have more than 40 crores of assets? It's a threshold of 8 lakh rupees per family. So these all things will be
All right.
investigated.
Sushi,
The
thank you
central,
so much for joining us and
single
getting
bench
us all of